Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahadi English School. This video is for students of class 2, subject Science. Today's thought: do not wait for tomorrow because tomorrow does not wait for you. Therefore, tomorrow always comes tomorrow. So this thought is very impressive thought. It means that you should not wait for the time to come. You should create your own time. You have to open the doors for your bright future. Don't wait for the opportunities to come, but you go to the opportunity. The good habits that you have to follow every day. Get up early every morning. See that you get up early. Brush your teeth daily. Never miss a day without brushing your teeth. Have a bath daily. Take your bath on time. Do your homework and then go out and play. Always use a dustbin. Always use a dustbin. Wash your hands before eating and also after eating. It is a good habit. Eat healthy food. Avoid eating junk food. Respect your elders, your family members, your parents, your relatives. Respect everyone. So follow these habits every day. So in today's video, we are going to revise the notes of lesson number 11. So this is an important lesson as it is there in your SAM 2. Read the notes and write along with me. So lesson number 11, water, notes. Lesson number 11, we had learned about the importance of water, where do we get water from, how should we save the water, everything we had learned. So let us revise. Hard words we are learning. Hard words has to be written only one time. Each thing only one time. Let us read and revise the hard words. Number 1. RAINWATER, rainwater. RAINWATER, rainwater. Number 2. RIVER, river. RIVER, river. Number 3. CANALS, canals. CANALS, canals. Number 4. SEEPS, seeps. SEEPS, seeps. SEEPS, seeps. Number 5. GROUNDWATER, groundwater. GROUNDWATER, groundwater. GROUNDWATER, groundwater. Number 6. DIGGING, digging. DIGGING, digging. DIGGING, digging. Number 7. BUCKETS, buckets. BUCKETS, buckets. Number 8. CONTAINERS, containers. CONTAINERS, containers. Number 9. GERMS, germs. GERMS, germs. Number 10. BOILING, boiling. BOILING, boiling. Number 11. BATHING, bathing. BATHING, bathing. Number 12. washing, 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 washing. Number 13, leaking, 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 leaking. Number 14, utensils, 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 utensils. Number 15, showers, 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 showers. Now we will revise multiple choice questions, that is MCQ. Write it one time in rough book. Number 1, which of the following activities need water? In which activities do we require water from the 4? Bathing, reading, washing clothes, or both A and C? When do we require water? In which activities? We require water for bathing and washing clothes. So both A and C are correct. Both A and C means that is given in option D. Both A and C means bathing and washing clothes. Both. For both we require water. Number 2. Which of these is not a source of water? From the given 4 options, which one is not the source of water? Means from where do we not get water? Lake, river, park, or canal? So we get water from canal, lake, river. But do we get water from park? No. So we don't get water from park. So park is not a source of water. It is not the source of water. Option C, park. Number 3, water that seeps into the ground is called dash. The water that seeps into the ground is called what? Dam, groundwater, lake water, or canal. What is it called? The water that seeps into the ground is called groundwater. The water that seeps into the ground is known as groundwater. What is the spelling? groundwater. 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 Number 4. Which of these do we use to store water? Where do we store water? From the following 4 options, which one is correct? Where do we store water? Bucket, tank, drum, or all of these? From where do we store water? We store water in all these things. In bucket also we store water in the bathroom. Tank is a very big container. Drum, you have already seen all these images. We store water in all these 3. So option D, all of these is the correct answer. All of these. Number 5, the stored water can be used to dash. The water which is stored can be used for what? For which thing? Watering plants, cleaning the floors, for bathing, or all of these. It is used for all the above mentioned activities. The stored water can be used for watering the plants, for cleaning the floors, for bathing, all the things. It can be used for each and everything. So all of these. Number D, option D is the correct option. Number 6, Drinking dirty water can make us dash. If you drink dirty water, what will happen? Options: ill, healthy, tall, or none of these. If you drink dirty water, it can make you ill. Drinking dirty water can make us ill or sick. We can get different kinds of diseases because of drinking dirty water. So we should be very careful that the water that we are drinking is neat and clean, it is safe. Number 7. How can one kill the germs in drinking water? How can you kill the germs in drinking water? By boiling it, by freezing it, by wasting it, or by storing it in plastic bottles. So here it is given. How can we kill the germs in drinking water? You can kill the germs in drinking water by boiling it. You can kill the germs in drinking water. How can you do it? By boiling it. When you boil the water, the heat will kill the germs inside the water. Now let us revise fill in the blanks of lesson 11. I hope all of you are writing one time with me. Number 1. We get water from dash. Where do we get water from? We get water from rain, not rocks. We get water from rain. Number 2. The water from rain is called dash. The water that we get from the rain is called rain water. The water that we get from rain is called rain water. RAINWATER. Rain water. Number 3. We use groundwater by digging dash. We use groundwater by digging wells. We use groundwater by digging wells. WELLS, wells. Number 4. Drinking dirty water can make us dash. Drinking dirty water can make us ill. You can become sick if you drink dirty water. So never drink the water when you go outside to a restaurant. Never drink water over there. Take your water bottle along with you. We should keep our water in dash containers, closed containers. We should cover the containers, the lid should be closed, and we should drink the water in closed containers, not open. The containers must be closed so that the germs will not enter and the bacteria will not get inside. Next topic we are revising is true or false. Number 1. We get water from rain. Is it true? Yes, it is true. We get water from rain. True. Number 2. We can use the groundwater by digging wells. Is it true? Yes, even that is true. We can get the groundwater by digging wells. True. Number 3. We should drink water directly from lakes and rivers. No, it is false, because the lake water can be dirty, impure, so we should not drink directly from the lake or river. False. Number 4. Dirty water does not contain germs. The water which is dirty, does it not contain germs? False. In fact, it contains lot of germs. So we should avoid drinking dirty, filthy water because it contains germs. Number 5. We should store clean drinking water in open containers. False. We should store drinking water in closed containers, not open containers. So this is false. You should not store the water in open containers. False. Next is match the following. I hope you are writing this one time. Also write match the following one time in rough book, as it is the revision that is going on, so it is very important to write. Column A we will read, then column B. Let us read. Number 1. RAIN, rain. WELLS, wells. DIRTY, dirty water. CLEAN, clean water. Then water at home. So option given on the right hand side: groundwater, clouds, taps, germs, closed containers. So here we have already matched. The rain we get from clouds. Rain get from clouds. When there are clouds in the sky, black clouds, we know that it's going to rain. Wells. Why are the wells dug in the villages? Because we want to fetch out the groundwater. The water from inside the ground is taken out. Dirty water contains a lot of germs, so we should never drink dirty water. It has a lot of germs. Clean water is there in the closed containers. If we have the pot at home, we should cover it with the lid. We should never keep the glass of water or anything, any container open. We should close the containers so that the water will be clean. Water at home. How do we get water at home? By opening the tap. You just open the tap and you start getting water at home. Just open the tap and get the water. Now let us revise. Give one word. Give one word. Number 1. This fills ponds, lakes, rivers and streams. Which is the thing that fills all these things? That is rainwater. When there is rainfall, the rainwater will get inside all these things: ponds, lakes, rivers and streams, and it will totally fill the rainwater. The things will be filled up by the rainwater. Number 2. We build dams and canals across them. Where do we build dams and canals? Across the rivers. Means from one side of the river to the other side. When you want to cross the river, how will you cross it? You will walk on a dam. You walk on a dam and then you can cross the river. So here the answer is rivers. Number 3. Dirty water contains these. What does the dirty water contain? Dirty water contains germs. There are so many germs in the dirty water. So you should purify the water before we drink and never drink dirty water. Number 4. Doing this can kill the germs present in water. So how will you kill the germs inside the water before drinking? You have to kill the germs, right? So how will you kill the germs inside the water? By boiling the water. It is as simple as that. BOILING, boiling. By boiling the water we can kill the germs in the water, present in the water. The next topic that we revise today is give 2 examples. Give two examples. Lesson 11. Write one time and learn. Number 1. Sources of water. From where do we get water? Which are the areas or which are the sources that water comes from? We get water from river and lake. Also pond is one of the examples. So where do we get water from? We get water from river and lake. Learn the spelling. R-I-V-E-R, river, L-A-K-E, lake. Number 2. Things to store water. How do we store the water? How do we save the water? Which place? We can save the water in the buckets and tanks. Learn the spelling. B-U-C-K-E-T-S, buckets. T-A-N-K-S, tanks. Number 3. Ways to save water. Which are the different ways in which we can save the water from wasting? Close the tap while brushing. While you are brushing your teeth in the morning, don't keep the tap open. Close it for some time. Leaking taps and pipes should get fixed. If there is a leakage in the pipeline anywhere, you should see that the leakage is stopped immediately. There should be no leakage in the house, otherwise the water will be wasted. The pipes, the taps should be fixed immediately. This is how you can save water. Then, after completing, give two examples. Let us revise the question answers of the chapter. Learn and write one time. Number 1. List any 4 uses of water. Where can we use water? Any 4 uses. As such, we can use water at many different places. But here we have to list any 4 uses, which are major uses of water. Water is used for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning and washing. We use water for all these activities. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. B-A-T-H-I-N-G, bathing. C-L-E-A-N-I-N-G, cleaning. W-A-S-H-I-N-G, washing. So primarily we use water for all these things: drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning and washing. Now what is groundwater? What is the meaning of the word groundwater? So the rainwater that seeps into the ground, the rainwater which is there, which directly goes inside the ground. When there is rainfall, little bit of water seeps into the ground. Slowly it slides inside the ground. That water is called groundwater. Number 3. Name any 3 things we use to store water at home. So we have to store water at home, because then only we can complete the everyday's task. So which are the things that we use for storing water at home? The 3 things are tank, bucket, drum. T-A-N-K, tank. B-U-C-K-E-T, bucket. D-R-U-M, drum. We use these things for storing water at home. Number 4. Why should we not drink the dirty water? What happens? Why should we not drink the dirty water? Drinking dirty water can make us ill. Drinking dirty water can make us ill. You will be sick, you will be ill if you drink dirty water. Many diseases can enter our body. So never drink dirty water. Number 5. Name any 3 sources of water. Sources means from where do we get water? Name any three sources. So the first is rainwater. When there is rainfall, we get plenty of water. So first is rainwater, second is canals, third is dams, and the fourth one is wells. We get water from all these places, but it is our duty to preserve, to save water for future. Let us revise the question answers once again because they are important. List any four uses of water. Water is used for drinking, cooking, bathing, and cleaning, and also for washing. What is groundwater? The rainwater that seeps into the ground is known as groundwater. Name any three things we use to store water at home. Which things do we use for storing the water? Tank, bucket, drum. We use these things for storing water at home. Why should we not drink the dirty water? Drinking dirty water can make us ill, so we should not drink dirty water. Name any three sources of water. From where do we get water? Rainwater, canals, dams, and wells. So just let's have a look at the MCQs because MCQs are often asked in exams. Which of the following activities need water? From following activities, where do we need water? So actually we need water for bathing and washing clothes. So option D. Which of these is not a source of water? See, it is a negative question. From where do we not get water? Not a source of water. Park. Cause we don't get water from park. Then water that seeps into the ground. Just now we saw the water that goes inside the ground is called groundwater. Which of these do we use to store water? Where do we store water? Where do we save it? Bucket, tank, drum. It was there in question answers also. We use these three things for saving or storing water. So all of these is correct answer. The stored water can be used for watering plants, cleaning floors, and bathing. For all these things we can use. So all of these. Drinking dirty water can make us ill. So never drink dirty water. And how can one kill the germs in drinking water? By boiling it. You can kill the germs. So here we complete our today's video. We revised the chapter 11 water. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.